How to change keyboard on Android device. So in order for us to get this one, let's just go ahead and open our settings. And here in our settings, we're going to go ahead and look for system and updates. Now here, you should be able to see here language and input. Go ahead and click that one. And here are the list of keyboards that we have. So in my case, in this particular phone of mine, I have 4 different keyboards here. And if I want to change this one, I can just go over and look for default keyboards and then click this one and then basically choose between the different options that I have here. So for example, if I'm going to use Gboard or Google Board, I can go ahead and do that one. And then if I'm going to open, say for example, Notes in order to type something, you can see that now we are in here. So again, let's go ahead and change this one, and it's actually quite simple. So let's go back here. I'm going to click default keyboard and let's choose typewise. So I'm going to click it, and then if we're going to go back here, you can see that now we are using a different keyboard. And yep, if you want to download different keyboards, you can just head over to your Play Store, and then from here you can go ahead and download a lot of keyboards. So you can just go ahead and type keywords, and you will have here a lot of keyboard options for you. So in my case, again, what I downloaded was Gboard, Microsoft Swift Key, and then I have here typewise. But yeah, you should be able to see here different keyboards like this one right here. And again, everybody, that is how easy it is to change your keyboard on your Android device.